Hi everyone, nice to see you again in this video. How are you? Good? I hope everyone is good. Well, for today's lesson, we are still going to learn about have and has. And then we will also have some reading practice. Well, before we go on, I want you to see the video. Have or has. This is have. And this one has. What is this picture? Yes, it's a kite. We can say, I have a kite. Yeah? So for I, we use have. What about you? You is also using have. So you have a kite. What about we? We means kami or kita is also using have. We have a kite. And what about they? Yes, for they we also use have. Yeah? They means mereka. They have a kite. Look at this picture. What is it? Yes, it's a house. Beautiful house. If we want to say he, then we say he has a house. Not he have, but he has a house. If we want to say she, then we use has. She has a house. Not she have, yeah, but she has a house. And for it, we also use has, yeah, not have. So it has a house. Then who are they that we can say as him is? He is for a boy or for a man. Yeah? One boy or one man. For example, father, uncle, Johnny, Tom, yeah? So, one name, one boy's name or one man's name, that is he. What about she? She is for girl, one girl or one woman. It can be mom, it can be grandma, it can be aunt, it can be Lucy or Mary or Nabil, yeah? So we use she. And what about it? It is for animal, yeah? One animal or one object, just like table or book or house or chair. It is not for human, yeah? Okay, next. Now we will have some practice. Look at this picture. Who's this? It's a boy, yeah? One boy. This boy is riding a bike. What's the boy's name then? His name is Jason. Yeah. Jason, blah blah blah, a new bike. Now what should be here? Is it have or has? Because Jason is a boy, so we use has. Okay, so Jason has a new bike. Next picture is a girl. Look, it's a girl with a puppy. And it's only one girl. Her name is Mary. So Mary, blah blah blah, a new puppy. What is here then? Is it have or has? Because it is Mary, that is only one girl, so we use has. Okay? Next. Oh, look at this. This is me. And look at this. So much money. Yeah, so here I have or has some money. What is here? Have or has? For I, we use have. Good. I have. Not I has, but I have some money. Next picture. Wow, look at the toys. There's a lot of toys in the room. And look at these children. Who are they? Oh, they are my brother and I. So this is me. Yeah, it's I, my brother and I. So my brother and I means we. Yeah, my brother and I means we, kami. Blah blah blah, many toys. So what should be here? Is it have or has? Because it is we, my brother and I, so we use have. Okay? My brother and I have many toys. Next picture. Look at the kids. They have so many crayons here and they are drawing something. This boy is drawing a rocket and this girl is drawing a house and a tree. Who are they? Oh, they are Kevin and Anna. So this boy is Kevin and this girl is Anna. So what should be there? Have or has? Kevin and Anna. Kevin and Anna means they. Yeah? It means they, mereka. So we use have. Kevin and Anna have some crayons. Wow, look at this. So fat. The cat is so fat. And look at this. It's having something in its mouth. The cat, blah, 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 a fish. So, the cat is not human, right? So, we call it it. So, when we have it, we use have or has. Yes, we use has. The cat has a fish. Okay, good job everyone. Now let's do the real practice. Okay, for the next practice, we'll do worksheet 3. In this worksheet, you will have to complete the sentences 1 to 5 here with the correct words in the boxes. So you have to choose which answer is the best to complete the sentence. Let's do number 1. She likes to write her. She likes to write her. What is this? Is it a goat or horse? Yes, it's a horse. So you circle the answer. Number 2. Let's read the sentence. She saw a big. What is this? This girl is swimming and she saw. Saw means see or look. Is it shark or whale? Then you circle the correct answer. Number 3. She likes to read on the what? She likes to read on the, what is this? Is it bed or couch? So you choose the right answer. Give a circle. Number 4. Look at the bird. The pirate has a blah blah blah. The pirate has a parrot or boat. Look at the picture. Is it parrot or boat? Circle your answer. Number 5. He has a blah blah blah. What is this? He's holding it. He has a. Is it lollipop or cake? Circle your answer. The next practice is in worksheet 4. Here we have to read this text. And then after reading, we have to check whether the sentences here are correct or not. If the sentences here are correct, then you put this mark, tick mark. And if the sentences here are wrong, then you put cross mark. Okay, now let's read the text. That is my friend. His name is Ben. He has a rose. He will give it to his friend. Okay, now you repeat after Miss Desi. That is my friend. His name is Ben. He has a rose. He will give it to his friend. Good. Now look at the boy. See? This boy is Ben, and he has a rose here. Ben will give the rose, Ben will give the rose to his friend. Good. Now let's check all the sentences here. Number 1. That is my friend. Do you find the sentence in the text? Yes, it's here. That is my friend. So you tick the box. Number 2. His name is Ben. Is it correct or no? Look at the text. His name is Ben. So it is correct. You check it. Next. His name is John. Is it correct or no? Look at the text. His name is Ben. So the sentence is wrong. So we cross it. Next. He has roses. Be careful. Here is roses. Means more than one roses. In the text, it is said, he has a rose, only one. It means this sentence is wrong. So you cross it. Next, he has a rose. Is it correct or no? Yes, the text said he has only one rose. Look, he has a rose. So you check it. Next, he will give it to his friend. Is it correct or no? Let's check in the text here. Look. He will give it to his friend. So the sentence is correct. Next, let's check it or tick the box. The last sentence. He will give it to his mom. He will give it to his mom. Is it correct or no? Let's see. He will give it to his friend, not mom. So the sentence is wrong. Let's cross it. Okay, good job everyone. Well, that's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoy it. It's easy, right? See you again in the next video. Bye everyone.